Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset game settings or how you can restore game settings to default in episode 26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to this gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Once that open, go to settings, then head over to game settings, and yeah, just right here at the bottom you can see that there is a key to restore these settings to default. So if I press that, they're gonna give me this window. So since we wanna reset this, I'll just press yes. At this point they have completely reset my gameplay settings. Now by using the RB key or R1 key, we'll head over to match. Similarly, we're gonna press the same key to reset this. Select the yes. You can see that they have reset the settings to default. Now by using the RB key or R1 key, we'll head over to game type settings. By following the same process, we're gonna reset all of this. And yeah, that's it. At this point we have successfully reset the settings of episode 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.